Hey guys, I have a video for you today. It's a bench grinder, ingco bench grinder. The complaint is that when you power it up, it just make a humming sound and it won't turn, it won't spin. So let's take a look at it, see what's the problem. So I'm going to plug it in and hit the switch, and all I can hear is this humming sound. I'm trying to give it a start and it's starting to spin. It's starting to develop speed slowly. So I have to open it up and take a look inside. From experience, this kind of problem should be the capacitor. There's a running capacitor inside. So I'm just going to go straight to the capacitor and take a look at it, test it, see if it's working. Okay, so here. Remember guys, when you work on these things, you have to make sure that you power them off, disconnect the plug, and if you like to follow along with my videos, you do so at your own risk. Alright? So here we have the cover off from the bottom, and yes, there is a capacitor. So I'm just going to take it out and test it. Disconnect. First I will have to disconnect it from the system. So we have two connectors. By the way, it's 110 volts, 110 volts, this motor. So we just short the leads to discharge the cap. I'm going to take my capacitance mode. I'm just going to check it. Okay, so the cap is rated at 12 UF, 250 volts AC. So let's see how much UF we have here. And the reading is OL. So it means that this capacitor is open. It's no good. So I'm going to look for a replacement. So guys, I'm back. I found the replacement. It's a little bigger. And the UF is just like 15 UF. So we can work with that. It's a little bigger. I was hoping that it would fit, and yes, it can fit in the space. So we'll just fit this in, and then we're going to test it again. So this time I would not use the connectors. I would just solder it direct to the cap because it has two leads. They're kind of short. It's a used cap. I must tell you that it was taken to this motor was taken to an ex-technician, and said he told the customer that the coil is damaged and he cannot do anything about that. So they decided to bring it by the workshop here, and I told him I'll have a look at it. But I think it's a cap. I don't think it's a coil, because if it was a coil, I had issues. When I plugged it in just now and tried to start it, immediately the housing or the case will have started to heat up, which didn't happen. So I'm guessing it's, well, you saw for yourself, it's the capacitor. The capacitor is no good. So just for clarity, let me test the new one. Well, it's used, and this one says 15.5 UF. So I think we're good to go. Some shrink even. Guys, if you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up. If this video can help someone that you know, you share it. Also, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Tech Repairs, the name of my channel. Raj Prasad, under the heading Tech Repairs. And just use some heat shrink to insulate the connection. I'm going to go and I don't know if this would be able to bolt it up. I'll try to. Yes, I think we can get it done. Having a hard time with screwing this thing up in place. I'm gonna just put the cover on now, and then we'll test it, see if it's working. Should be working. So guys, I'm finished reassembling this motor. We're gonna give it a little test now, see what's gonna happen. Plug in, hit the switch, and immediately it starts to run. You can see, you can hear the sound. It's running. So you give it test. Test it to see. You can see that? It's running fine. So guys, problem solved. The culprit was the capacitor. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it. See you in the next one. Bye.